Hello, beautiful people. Hope you all are doing great. If you click this video, then I'm sure that you wanted to know more about my experience with plastic surgery. This video is exclusively for the people who have very bad eyesight, possibly astigmatism or long sightedness. I did plastic surgery an year ago and my experience has been so good. Now, here's a quick backstory. I was in class 10th when I started wearing glasses since my eyesight was really getting bad. But I was having a hope that at some point of time I will be getting rid of this, which unfortunately never happened. My eyesight dwindled badly and I had to wear thick glasses that was like around minus 4.5 power in both my eyes. That's when I researched and I got to know about LASIK surgery. There are two types of LASIK surgery. One is traditional LASIK surgery and the other one is the smile surgery. The difference between the LASIK surgery and the smile surgery is that in LASIK surgery, your lens it will be surgically removed, but in smile surgery, you don't have to remove your lens. Also, I had to visit the hospital a couple of times before scheduling my surgery. I arrived early on the day of my surgery. They applied a lot of eye drops and also gave me a medical box which I will be using after my procedure is done. The procedure took like around 10 to 15 minutes for both my eyes. The doctor advised me to focus into the laser beam that will be directed. Throughout the procedure, the doctor has been so helpful. He was communicating with me. He was also motivating me that I have been doing great. And even though I wasn't sure what I was actually doing, once they were done with the procedure, they sealed my lens back and they poured tons of eye drops into my eyes and they gave me a black goggles. I walked myself out of the surgery table. I was able to see clearly, however, my eyes were watering a lot and I was feeling a bit of discomfort. Now, here are certain things that you have to be very careful after the surgery has been completed. You should not take bath or wash your face, wash your head after the surgery for at least 10 days. They will be providing you with wipes which you will have to use to just wipe your cheeks, maybe forehead, but nowhere you should go near your eyes. You should never ever rub your eyes. Keep your fingers and hands away from your eyes. And if you're the person who have the habit of constantly rubbing your eyesight, please you have to be very careful. And anyhow, they will be providing you with some eye cups that you need to wear whenever you are sleeping. There will be an eye drop schedule which will be provided by the doctor and you need to follow that strictly. At least 48 hours you should not watch TV screens, laptops or mobile phone. So you will have to sleep for at least 6 to 8 hours right after the procedure because it's crucial. If you don't do, you will end up having discomfort for the whole day. Stay in a dark room and you need to avoid bright sunlight. And after 3 or 4 days, if it's important for you to go outside, you can wear your black goggles and go. You'll have to refrain from wearing any sort of eye makeup for at least 40 days. It's crucial since there is a high risk of infection happening in your eyes. So do not rub your eyes frequently. Stay away from a lot of perfume products and also reduce the eye makeup. Even after 40 days, you'll have to make sure you don't wear a lot of eye makeup for at least 6 months. Even though you'll feel better after 10 days, you should know that the healing can take place anywhere around 4 months to 6 months depending on people, as you will be having blurry vision and haziness. There will be flashes occurring frequently for around 6 months. This surgery is ideal for people who are between 21 years to 40 years old, and once done, you'll have that lovely HD vision that you have always been wanting, and your eyes will be perfect 9 by 9. I went to a clinic in Chennai called Amrit Hospital. Do your own research. You have to research for the place which is near to you, which is affordable, and where you feel much comfortable. So if you want to know about the cost, guys, you need to know that the cost depend from person to person. Saw some youngsters who were around 20 to 21 years old, and they had about 25 to 30,000 rupees which they spent for their surgery because their eyesight was not as bad as mine. However, mine was 9 cylinder, it was minus 4.5 in both my eyes. That's why I had to spend around 90,000 rupees for the surgery, which is very much worth because you may buy a lot of jewelry and stuff like that. However, if you don't have a good eyesight to look at yourself, then all those things are just a waste. Lasik has been a rebirth. I have born again with this beautiful eyesight. I was not able to see clearly. My eyesight was like completely bad. I was very close to blindness. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more updates on fashion, lifestyle, and many more things. Guys, I need your support really. Please support, do support, and subscribe to my channel and also share it to your friends. Thank you. Bye bye.